Welcome to the IM2 video lecture. This is covering the Unit 4 test review sheet, the solution. Here I will be talking about question 3 only. Question 3, you have these two equations. Notice they are not in standard form. So let's first of all put them in standard form. Okay, so I'm going to add the 2 to both sides. And then I'm going to get here x squared plus 3x minus, I think, 28. You could always double check by putting it in the DESMOS here. So I can check by doing negative 30 plus 2. See, that gets me negative 28. Right. And this is going to equal to 0. We want to solve this. We can solve it in many ways. We can do it like how we did 1 and 2, where we factor using the diamond method. Then we set the factors equal to 0 and solve. But that requires 2 steps. What we can do though is we can actually graph it using DESMOS and look at the x-intercepts. Okay, the x-intercepts will give you the solutions. All right, so let's graph. What are we going to graph for the first one? We are going to graph y equal to this function of x squared plus 3x plus 28. Right? So that's what we're graphing first of all. Right? So let's go to DESMOS. Here you go. And then I'm going to type it in here. Y equals x squared plus 3x minus 28. All right, let's zoom out a bit. So my solutions are my x-intercepts are when x equals to -7 and x equals to 4. The x-intercepts are also considered my solutions. So I would say that my solutions here are x is equal to -7 and x is equal to 4. X is equal to -7 and x is equal to 4. Why? Oh, did I? Okay, because I can write it here for you to understand it. The solution is where the graph has an x-intercept. There you go. Okay. So same thing like what we're going to do for B. Let's get that into standard form. I'm going to subtract x to both sides. I'm now going to have x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Right? Now you want to graph y equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12. All right, so let's graph that. Okay, x squared plus 4x minus 12. All right, and our two solutions are x is equal to -6 and x is equal to 2. X is equal to -6 and x is equal to 2. Right? Because the x-intercepts are also where the solutions are. Okay? So, there you go. That is everything that you need to know when it comes to question number 3, where it says to solve.